Did another samurai bury a treasure and forget to tell anyone? In 2018, Japanese archaeologists discovered a buried cache of over 100,000 coins in Saitama Prefecture. The find dated to the 15th century and contained Chinese coins from the Tang and Ming dynasties. Finding a buried hoard of coins is not unusual in Japan. It was the size that made it special. Now, a new cache of over 100,000 coins has been found. A few months ago in Gunma Prefecture, archaeologists discovered another hoard of coins. Coins, which have holes, were tied with straw ropes in groups of 100 and buried in the ground. Two things make this find special. One, the newest coin dates to the 13th century, suggesting it was buried during the Kamakura shogunate. Most coin hoards were buried in subsequent centuries during the Warring States period. Two, some of the coins are over 2,000 years old. The oldest coins date back to 175 BC. These are Banliang coins, China's first national currency. Finding these provides new insight into trade between China and Japan, trade that happened during Japan's Yayoi period, when rice farming was spreading across the islands and no written record exists. As a reminder, please follow for more Japanese history.